everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Udemy account. So first of all, launch open Udemy application. You can see over here Udemy application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, due to privacy and security reason, this interface cannot be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign up. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. You can either sign up with email, or you'll also be able to find the sign up options like Google or Facebook. So what you have to do is tap on the sign up option that you want to use. If you select the option sign up with email, you'll have to enter your email address. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your full name. Now you'll have to provide your email address, so simply enter your email address. Now after entering the full name and email, you'll have to tap on the continue option that you'll be able to see in this interface. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must be more than 8 characters, so simply create a password for yourself. Now after you create the password, tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Udemy account will easily be created. So that is how you create Udemy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.